Now we are going to study with the atmospheric electricity. It was first studied by Benjamin Franklin in 1749, and he actually proved that during a thunderstorm, clouds get electrically charged. So what activity actually he performed which led to a conclusion that the clouds get charged during thunderstorm? What he did, he took a kite, right, and to the top surface of the kite, what he did, he attached a metal wire, approximately of 30 centimeter in length, and the other side it was attached to a string, and he was and at the end of the string there was a metallic key. So there was a metal wire on the one surface and lower side string, and which was attached to the metal key. Then what he observed, actually, he made to this kite, he was flowing this kite. So when kite reaches to a certain height during a thunderstorm, so what happened, the clouds actually whenever there is a thunderstorm, their clouds get charged. How we came to know? Because the charge from this cloud get transferred from a metal wire to a string and to a key, right? And the knuckle, like that, the joint from where he was holding the string, it also due to induction it got oppositely charged. So let's say that, suppose for an example, the clouds are positively charged, so the string also, the metal wire and the string, because it also becomes wet, so string becomes good conductor, so this positive charge flow from this to this, and even the key acquired this positive charge. But due to induction, this acquires a negative charge. So whenever the key come closer to the knuckle, so there he observed a certain kind of spark. So that spark actually confirmed that the key got charged. And how the key got charged? Due to wet string. And how wet string got charged? It got charged because the charge was received by the metal wire which was attached to the upper surface of the kite, because when the kite reaches to a certain height, the charge from the cloud was flowing to a metal wire, and through a string it was traveling to a key, because we know that the metal wire is a good conductor, string because become wet, so obviously wet thing is a good conductor, and metallic key again is a good conductor. So all the charge that was flowing got collected in the key, and due to induction the knuckle also got charged. So whenever there is a closure of knuckle with the key, so there was a certain kind of spark. So this actually proves that this charge is flowing from the clouds, because whenever there is a thunderstorm, the clouds get electrically charged. So this actually experiment led to the conclusion that clouds get electrically charged. So he just you can say this experiment actually led to the invention of the lightning conductor.